you're struggling to get clients, make money online, or grow your business, it's probably because of one thing: you are passive. You're not doing enough outreach. Most people sit back hoping clients will magically find them. That's not how it works. If you want results, you have to go get them. I came up with a concept called Shameless Outreach, and I even created a digital guide called Shameless Outreach, how you can land your first clients without feeling weird, pushy, or salesy. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you one of the techniques in that guide that will help you pitch and land that paying clients. Remember, the full guide is in the description. We're not ending 2025 broke. If you end 2025 broke, I will drag you. So go and get that guide. After, you can pause this video and download the guide. I'm going to drag you. I'm going to do it. So, what's shameless outreach? Shameless outreach is the unapologetic, confident act of putting yourself and your offers out there to connect with the right people. It's about dishing the fear of rejection. I don't care about you. Rejection. Removing the stigma around self promotion and owning your value. That is what I call shameless outreach. It's not about being pushy. It's not about being salesy. It's about being bold and intentional on how you approach opportunities so you can grow your impact and, most importantly, your income. I've seen so many talented people, freelancers, coaches, content creators who have amazing skills and ideas. You right now watching me, neighbor, yes, you. But they're stuck. Why? Because they're afraid to ask people what they want, especially women. Come on, carry your markets for head. They are waiting for clients to magically show up or for opportunities to just happen. Spoiler alert, it's not going to work. Carry your markets for head. Why are you ashamed of your business? Why are you ashamed of your skills? Why are you ashamed of your expertise? Why are you ashamed of your value? Carry your markets for head. Put yourself out there. Ask for what you deserve. Ask for what you want. Don't be passive or reactive. Now, it's not about asking people, begging people for you to patronize you. No. Please buy my market. No, we're not begging. Please hire me. No, we're not. Please let me work for you. No. It's about confidence and clarity. Shameless outreach teaches you to identify your ideal clients so you're not wasting time on people who don't need your services. You have to create your client's persona. So, how do you identify your client avatar, your client persona? This is a worksheet you're going to get inside the guide. This is where the magic happens. So, number one is, who are they? What's their age, gender, profession? Number two, what do they do? What's their business or role? Number three, what challenges do they face? This is super important. Number four, what's their goal? Number five, how can you help? What services can you offer to solve their problems? It helps you create value driven messages that make people want to work with you, overcome the fear of rejection, and show up consistently. Build relationships that turn into long-term clients and opportunities. Let me paint you a scenario. A scenario. If your favorite restaurant or whatever your fav is did not tell you they exist, you would never eat there. You would never patronize them. The same applies to your business. People need to know you're out there. It doesn't matter the skill you have. It doesn't matter how amazing you think your skill is, right? If they do not know you exist, they cannot patronize you. They cannot hire you. I know you might be thinking, Mfon, I don't want to come off as annoying or desperate. Trust me, I get it. When I started, I hesitated to reach out to people. I thought, what if they think I'm too pushy? What if they just tell me no? But here's what I learned. No one cares as much as you think they do. I need this to sink in. No one cares as much as you think they do. Most people are too busy with their own lives to judge you. Rejection isn't personal, it's math. Every no taught me how to refine my approach. There's this concept 100 reach rule. For every 100 people you reach out to, 50 might ignore you, 30 might say no, 10 might say maybe, but 10 will say yes. Now, that's 10 new clients or opportunity you didn't have before. So fast forward to today, I can confidently tell you I have made money online. Literally everything I do a lot of things, and everything I do is online. And now I help others do same because that's just my mission on earth. Help others do the same thing. I want you to succeed. I want to see you succeed. So now I make money online and I help others do the same. And it all started with Shameless outreach. Now, let me tell you why most people fail, and you might if you join them this 2025. They are too scared to ask for what they want. You can't close deals if you don't pitch. They waste time on perfecting instead of doing. They give up too soon. Outreach is a numbers game. The more people you connect with, the more opportunities you create. Don't just send 10 messages and then you're like, ah, I tried. No, you didn't. Number four, ever learning, but never coming to the knowledge that they need to execute. Ever learning and never coming to the knowledge of the truth. Yeah, ever learning and never coming to the knowledge that they need to execute what they've been learning. That's why a lot of people don't make money online. That's why you will not make money online. That's 2025. Now, let me share with you. I said I was going to share just one technique. Okay. Let me share with you the three types of outreach messages that work every time if done correctly. Number one, the value offer message. Lead with value. Instead of saying, hi, can I work with you? Say, I noticed the specific problem. I have the solution that can help you with specific outcome. Next is the curiosity hook. Keep it short and intriguing. For example, hey, I just finished helping a business coach double their leads in 30 days. Would you like to know how I did it and how I can help you do same? Number three, the follow-up framework. Most people give up after one message. Don't. Send polite but persistent follow-ups that add value each time. So you need this guide. I'm giving you the exact framework I use to get consistent clients for my business, my online business. So click the link in the description and in the pinned comment and get the guide. And if you're thinking, what if it doesn't work for me? What if it does? Take action, get the guide, implement. Bye, neighbor.